Welcome to Miniatures.de, your military miniatures magazine. In this issue, we will repair a broken Revell Swedish musketeer by soldering its broken arm back on. To begin, we drill open the hand of the musketeer because we're going to convert him to a pikeman at the same time. That done, the broken arm is threaded onto the miniature's pike, which we made of a plastic broom bristle. Once the pike is threaded into the second hand of the musketeer, the broken arm can be positioned exactly where it was broken off. Here it suddenly becomes apparent that the previous owner has already tried to glue the broken arm, and the glue needs to be removed for a better fit. Now that the fracture has been cleaned, the arm fits back together perfectly. Before we can begin to solder, the two parts need to be pressed together firmly so that the two parts will join when we melt the material. At first, we solder only one point so that the parts are joined. Then we sculpt the entire area to fill any holes and recreate the folds in the clothing. The same is done on the other side of the arm. First, we solder the crack which runs right through the arm. Then we sculpt the entire underarm to hide any damage. The soldered arm is firmly attached now, and this kind of repair will be virtually invisible once we paint the miniature. Right, and this is what the former musketeer looks like now that we've fixed his broken arm and armed him with a pike. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at miniatures.de.